Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD tutorial how to scale drawing. So as example, I will create a rectangle and you can set the dimension into 200 and 200. The next, if you want to scale in this rectangle object, you can use scale tools, type scale, press enter and select the objects, enter again. Now specify for base point, I will click in here. And if you want to scale half, you can type 0,5. Press enter to scale half. If you set the dimension, it will be changed into 100. I will scale again twice. You can type scale, press enter, select the objects, and enter again. For base point, I will click in here, and you can type 2, press enter again. The length will be changed into 200. It will be different if you scale in layout, like I will go to layout. The next, I will delete this default viewport. I will create new with size for A4 paper size. You can type a rectangle. I will create in here. For length, I will set into 210, and then for width, 297. Press enter. The next, you can right click in the layout and then go to Pack Setup Manager. Click modify. Next, I will set for the printer, I will print into PDF. Paper size A4 paper size, and for plot area use window, and I will click from this corner into here. Move into center points and then change into portrait. Click preview. So this is for the preview. You can close and click OK, and you can click close. So the layout will be changed into A4 paper size. Now you can type M view to create model view. I will create in here. Double click, and you can press F7 to hide grid. Next, you can change scale by using status bar. You can click in here. I will set into 2, 1 to be automatically scale. I will set again slide into 1, 2 to be scale the object. If you done, you can click outside. Okay, to scale again, you can double click, and then you can use these tools, scale tools. We'll set into 1, 1. This is 1, and the other you can change to 1, 4. If you done, you can click offset. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD tutorial, how to scale a drawing. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.